At next week's Unpacked presentation, Samsung is preparing to introduce its newest line of smartwatches. The business will be introducing 3 new smartwatches: the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Z Flip 7, and the more reasonably priced Z Flip FE. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 8, which features a sturdy sapphire glass screen and a lightweight aluminum armor frame, comes in 2 sizes, 40 and 44 mm. The 44mm model weighs 34 grams, whereas the 40mm model weighs only 30 grams. Additionally, there is a little difference in display size between the two. The 44mm device adds 1.47 inches to the 1.34-inch Super AMOLED screen found on the 40mm model. The smaller model's battery capacity is 325 mAh, while the larger model's capacity is 435 mAh. Samsung's new 5nm Exynos W1000 CPU powers both models, which also include 32GB of internal storage and 2GB of RAM. Both Bluetooth-only and Bluetooth Plus 4G versions will be available, and they will come with a silicone sport band by default. The actual rotating bezel, a beloved feature of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, is returning. Unlike the regular Watch 8, this model comes in a single 46mm size. Its body is made of stainless steel for a more upscale appearance and feel. Because the bezel takes up more room surrounding the display, the screen is still 1.34 inches, the same size as the 40mm Watch 8. At 63.5 grams, the watch weighs a lot more than its aluminum sister. The same Exynos W1000 CPU powers it, but it has 64GB of upgraded storage in addition to the same 2GB of RAM. It includes a high-end hybrid strap and a battery with a 445 mAh rating. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.